What's up guys, welcome to another video on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a presentation or a PowerPoint slide in minutes using an AI tools, and actually it is free to use right now. That is uPresenter, who is the one who sponsored this video. Okay, let's talk about them in 30 seconds. uPresenter is a powerful AI tool that allows you to generate a professional, beautiful presentation in minutes using AI. After sign up a new account with uPresenter, you can click Create by AI. The tools will generate an outline for your presentation. You can click Next, then select a theme for your presentation. Click Next, and uPresenter will create a professional and beautiful presentation in minutes. And of course, you can edit your presentation, customize like the way you want. If you want to try uPresenter, go ahead to the link in the description or go to their website uPresenter.ai. Okay, let's come back to my tutorial. Okay, so this is the homepage of uPresenter. So you can just go here on uPresenter.ai, or you can just click the link in the description. So first thing first, you need to sign up an account. So it will require your email. Okay, just click here to sign up, and then there are some options for you. You can sign up with your Google account, or you can input your email. By the way, I already have an account, so we can go straight into the UI. This is my working space. So you see, I created so many presentations here. So first up, if you want to create a presentation, you can click this button, create with AI, or you can create from blank or import your document. Maybe you have a PowerPoint slide or a file. You can import from document here. So they support PDF document, PowerPoint presentation, Word document, Excel, and plain text. Okay, by the way, I can go back to here, and next up you need to select this button, create with AI. And be mentioned that they will offer you 500 AI credit when you register an account. And if you want to refer your friend, you can click here at the refer friends, and they will plus 200 AI credit whenever your friends use the link, your referral link, to sign up an account. And you can also use my link in the description also. It will help me get 200 more AI credit. Okay, and we can close it. So first up, we can click this button to create with AI. Okay, and next up, you need to input the title of your presentation. For example, I want to talk about 5 video editing tips, or maybe I want to talk about computer, so basic knowledge about computer. So maybe the fundamental of a computer, stuff like that. And next option is the content option. So we have two options here, slide and quizzes, or just slide or just quizzes. So I can go with slide. Okay, and category, I can leave it by default, auto for the style. And for the language, I can select English, or my original language is Vietnamese. By the way, I can select English here. Okay, and we can click continue. And by clicking continue, it costs 5 AI credit, or it costs 5 credit. Okay, for the outline of the presentation. And just click continue. It will generate outline. So we have an outline, and then we agree with the outline, and we can click continue. Okay, so next step, we need to double check the outline. With this outline, we can add more bullet point or add more idea here, or we can delete the input here. But for this tutorial, I will click continue to generate presentation. Okay, just click continue. And next up, we need to select a template for our presentation. We can select this one. It is just black and white, so nothing special. But they create many template or many theme here. We can select, and they mentioned that we can change the theme later. Okay, so for this purpose, I can select this one, the orange one. Okay, select it, and now it will cost 50 AI credit or 50 credit to generate presentation. So it costs 55 credit for this try. Okay, I can click continue, and now uPresenter will generate the presentation, and we can edit it and customize it later. Okay, so after 2 minutes, we have a presentation like this, the fundamentals of a computer. And next slide, which is the outline. And then we have introduction to computer. And we have the background image here also. It's generated by AI, okay? And we have another slide. We can click this button to present, okay? So to see how the presentation look like. So we have 18 slides. Keyboard, mouse, touch screen, scanner, microphone, monitor, printer, speaker, projector. Okay, so it is very detailed and it is very good conclusion and summary. Okay, thank you, and we can end the presentation. Go back to our workspace. So this is the first touch of the AI tools. It generates 18 slides for us, and we mentioned that we can correct the slide, or we can change the theme, and we can add text to the slide. We can add elements, and we can add media. We can record audio. We can use text to speech to convert text to speech, and also we can add video and add audio and add image to here also. Added to that, we have questions. So if we want to, we can add question or quizzes to the presentation. By the way, I can make a more detailed tutorial about the quiz and theme and score, stuff like that, in my next video. But for now, if we are happy with the slide, we can just present, or we can download it in PDF format or XAPI. So here is the download button. If we click here, we have the file PDF and XAPI package, XAPI package. Or we can present, or we can share it with other people, maybe your college or your student, with this button. Okay, so you can input another user, or we can share it to our student. Another interesting thing here is that we can modify the background image or the text here also. For example, we can ask AI to modify the text, or we can ask AI to modify the background image or the image that they created. Okay, for example, I can ask AI to modify this one, and I can input the text, maybe a complete computer, or it is the CPU with red background. Okay, and we can generate, and we mentioned that it will cost 5 credit. Okay, just click generate and wait a few seconds. It will generate a new image for us. So here we have a new CPU with red background. So that's cool, right? So this is a slide, and it is another. Alright, so that is how to generate a presentation using AI with uPresenter. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any questions, just let me know at the comment section below. And if you want to try the application, just go ahead to the link in the description. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.